To get started, install the app from the Shopify App Store. Next, choose the plan that fits your needs. The free plan is great to start, but for lower fees and premium quality, we recommend the Pro plan. Now you just need to approve your subscription. It's only one click. To rotate your first product, go to your products and open the one you want to start with. Click More Actions and then select Generate AI Video. First, choose the main front image of your product. Optionally, you can choose a backside image too. It's nice to have, but can improve the quality. Let's go! Click the Generate AI Video button and see the AI magic. AI is working. You just need to wait a little. You can leave this page. It will keep running in the background. Once it's finished, we'll automatically set the video as the primary media for your product. When the generation is finished, you will see the result here. Click, apply and save, and you're good to go. You can move on to the next product. After saving the product page, your customers will see the stunning 3D videos on your storefront instead of boring and static images. If you enjoy the app, a quick review would mean a lot to us. Thank you. In your app dashboard, you can manage your plan and check your usage.